In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all text messages on Android at once. This is going to be a real quick and easy video, so make sure you watch it until the end. Now, whether you're using a default messaging app or in my case I'm using Google Messages, it's all the same process. You can simply open up your application and now you can tap and hold a particular message and that message will be selected. Now you can select other messages like this. And what you can do is tap on this pin icon on the top right and it's going to show you, are you sure you want to delete it? If you are, then you can now tap on delete. Like I earlier said, it's also the same process for any default messaging app. You have an option to select multiple messages, or you can also have an option on the top right. If you tap on it, all of the message will be selected at once, and now you can tap on delete. So that was the easy process on how to delete all text messages on Android at once. It was a real quick and easy video, so if you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll be back with more.